Welcome to today's training. Branding with AI. The practical training using ChatGPT and Gemini to build a smart brand identity. Welcome you all once again. Today we'll be creating different branding designs with AI. So branding with AI, practical training using ChatGPT and Gemini to build a smart brand identity. Presented by my humble self, Mr. Prompt. Take it on. Yeah, that's it. So what you will learn today, AI power branding basics. Understand how artificial intelligence transforms the branding process and makes professional identity creation accessible to everyone. Also, you will be learning master ChatGPT and Gemini. Learn, learn practical techniques from using both platforms to generate creative ideas, compelling copies, and visual concepts. Also, you will be learning how to design logos and visuals. Discover how AI helps you create professional logos, brand imagery, and vision content without design experience, which means that you don't have to be a pro to use this basic method that we are about to teach you today. Also, you will be learning social media branding. You gain actionable steps to leverage AI for creating engaging content that builds your presence across platforms. So you're welcome once again. So, if I may ask, what is branding? Branding defines how people see and feel about your business. It's the complete experience customers have with your company, from visual elements to the emotions you evoke. Core elements. A strong brand encompasses your logo, tone, color, and core message, all working together to create a memorable impression. Building trust and loyalty. Effective brand build trust, recognition, and lasting loyalty that turn customer into advocates. Iconic example. Pros. Think of apples. Minimalist, elegant, Nike empowering energy, or Coca-Cola nostalgic warmth. Each brand has a unique voice and visual identity that people instantly recognize and emotionally connect with. So now we have why use AI in branding. It creates faster and smarter. AI accelerates the creative process, generating multiple concepts in seconds that would traditionally take hours or days to develop. What it's saying is that it's going to make your work easier. It's saying that AI is turning a 2-hour journey to seconds, giving us more time to rest, more time to do other things. Number two, automate creative tasks. From writing compelling copy to suggesting color palettes, AI handle repetitive creative work so you can focus on strategy. Is it that impressive? Number three, AI generates ideas instantly. Breakthrough creative blocks with AI-powered brainstorming that provide fresh perspectives and unexpected solutions. You don't have to be a designer. AI turns your imagination into reality. Which takes us to the next slide. ChatGPT and Gemini. Branding with ChatGPT and Gemini, which we said we'll be using today to teach you how to use so that you can also use them perfectly like a pro. You can use it like a pro. Yes, yes. Build your brand identity with AI. Yeah, today we'll be showing you how you can build your brand identity with artificial intelligence. We're talking about using Gemini and ChatGPT to build lasting brands, professional brands. After this training, you should be able to create like a professional, because this is a practical class that will be spoon feeding you on how to create. We are going to practice different prompts that you can use to create different brand. So, number one, start with clear prompts. Describe your brand vision, target audience, and core value to guide the AI effectively. Number two, generate complete identity. AI creates your brand name, tagline, color palette, brand story, and tone of voice in seconds. refine and apply, review AI suggestions. Select your favorite and customize them to perfectly match your vision. Try this prompt. Now we're about to try this prompt. We said create a brand identity for a skincare brand. Focus on natural glow and confidence. So we copy this now and we take it to Gemini, and you see the results will wow you. Here, now we open Gemini. So now we're going to tell Gemini to do exactly what we want. Just a minute. Yeah. Let's wait. It's cooking. It's cooking. It's air. In no time. Look at this. Isn't this fantastic? We just create a model holding a soap. Instead of you looking for models, paying photographer, AI has make your job easier. Now with AI, you can create brand with ease. Anything you want, anything you can imagine, with this prompt, you can get it done. Let's pick another one and do it. You know, just a minute. We get a prompt, we paste it, and the AI, we do the rest. As simple as that. Now we're cooking another one. We're cooking another one. We're cooking another one. Yeah, it's air ready. Look this. Isn't this amazing? Isn't this amazing? Look at the soap here. We can change this soap to any soap that we want over there. Just give me the sample and we put it right there. So let's go back to her slide. So we tried the two prompts already, and we have excellent, brilliant results that will have taken traditionally days, months, but with AI, we are able to achieve it in few time, in seconds, not even for a minute. So we go to the next slide. Here we are. So this one is talking about logo creation. Using AI to create logo. Using AI to create your brand logo. Instead of you paying a designer hundreds and thousands, millions, with AI, you can create your unique logo for your brand with ease without having to stress yourself with simple prompts. Now we try that out. We have prompt for that. Yeah, don't forget that. If you need our 100 branding prompts ebook, just send us a DM and we get across to you. So this is branding with AI training, free training online. So here we're trying to educate our people to know that they can do anything with AI. Just name it and get it done. So we copy the prompt, like I said. So we change the slide to Gemini. And we go right there. You can see my screen. Paste the prompt there. The prompt is photoreal image of a modern smartphone lying on a wooden desk, screen showing a ready Instagram ad for the So brand, logo, hero, product shot, CTA, surrounding desk item, notebook, pen, coffee, car, small plant, real reflection on screen, soft window light from left, camera plus lightning, 50 mm, f2.8 and 1 by 125 Hz, ISO 200, natural window key plus small field. So we're about to cook another one, so let's go. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's coming. Boom. And it's here. Boom. And it's here. You can see the soap that this model is holding here is showing right on the screen here, giving us the real life vibes. I see it's showing real on someone's phone, like an advert, showing this, telling the person to shop now. So you can see that AI is making things so easy. Just get your prompt right, and The rest is history. You're gonna get the best result once you can get the prompt right, which we can help you do, which what we do at Takedo, ensuring that you get your prompt right, ensuring that you master your prompts. And if you don't want to go through the stress of thinking about prompts, you can reach out to us, reach us, and we send you our 100 pro branding prompts, craftily picked by Mr. Prompt, my humble self, to help you take your brand to the next level. So let's take another prompt before we continue with the slide. So we're going to take another we're going to take another prompt. So we are changing from soap now around. This time around we're changing from soap. Let's go for coffee brand. Yeah, we've done soap. Now let's go for coffee brand. So just paste the prompt there. The cozy coffee table scene featuring a branded coffee cup with rising steam, croissants on plate, and soft little light from the window. Coffee ambience with blur patron in background. Camera plus lighting 50 mm f 2.2 1 plus 200x ISO 200 natural money light with soft shadow composition. Rule of third, cup position foreground right. Styling, wood texture table, natural tone, warm croissant, post processing, enhanced theme detail so that it will show real as if the tea is hot. Gentle vision, cinematic grade 8K, negative prompt, avoid cartoon style theme or unrealistic blog. You can copy this prompt. You can copy this prompt if you can. You look at this. The reason why we put a negative prompt is to tell the AI that we don't want anything like cartoon style theme or unrealistic blog. We want the AI to give us exactly realistic image, picture, so that when people say it, they will not even be able to believe it that we created with AI. They will see it as, oh wow, this is excellent. We do this with, you get. So let's load this now and see the result. Boom. Let's load it. It's loading. AI is loading. Yeah, welcome. Now it's here. If you can look at it properly, you will see that this theme is showing already. This theme is here. Look at it. Look at it. Just create this. Isn't this amazing? Isn't this amazing? Just look at it. So with AI, you can do many things. With AI, you can do many things. Make your work easier and faster. But that is if you understand the way to use it. When some people generate pictures like this, image like this using AI, it still look AI. But looking at the one we are creating right here, we are creating realistic one. That when people say it, they will be convinced like, oh, I think this was taken into this is a real picture, something like that. You get my point. So let's go back to our slide so that we can go to the next step. We will do many. If you have any question, you can drop it down in the comment section. After this slide, we are going to treat a question, and if you have anything you want me to generate, just drop it in the comment section and I will get the results for you. We are here today, AI branding. So the next one on our list, on next slide, AI for social media content. And that's a lot of people want to hear about this. A lot of people want to know how to do this. A lot of people want to spice up their social media account. You know, here we're going to do that. So, post ideas and captions. Now we're talking about social media content with AI. So, AI will help generate engaging on brand content that resonates with your audience and drive meaningful engagement across all platforms. Hashtag and strategy, give it to AI. AI will create targeted hashtags, set and comprehensive engagement plan that expand your reach and build community. Video scripts, AI is perfect for that. We offer training about that as well. We offer training on that. If you want training on how you can create interesting, amazing videos, we have a training on that too very soon. But this one we're dealing with image creation, brand creation, strictly for brands. And afterwards, we're still going to have training on how to do birthday photo shoot with AI, traveling for the show with AI, and so many more. But today, we are only dealing with branding with AI. What AI can do for you, what you can do with AI, how to transform your brand using AI. So, AI makes branding accessible, faster, smarter, more affordable. AI generates complete brand identity and months of content in minutes instead of weeks. If you want to start a brand, you'll be thinking, oh, what should be my name? What should be the name? Okay, what color should be? What color should be? How will I design the flyer, sorry. AI and do everything for you in seconds, and you'll be wowed by the result if you actually know how to use AI properly, which we are trying to teach you here today, guide you through spoon feed you. We are using your hand to get to destination. We are not hiding anything from you. We're showing you how we're doing it and how we're getting the result. So this is play training. So we take more two or more examples. Yeah, yeah, we should take two or more examples from other brands aside from this one. Yeah, yeah. Let's go food packaging branding. Food packaging branding, if you are into cooking and all, with AI you can create brand, you can package your cooking, create logos, create amazing realistic images that will actually make people respect your brand, appreciate your brand, love your brand, want your brand, you know. So now we'll be doing that in a minute. So we go back to Gemini. So you paste the prompt in it, and AI will do the rest. So let's wait for the magic. It's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up, guys. Yeah, and here is the magic crunching code. Branding is here in minute. We can tell the AI to make a model holding it. It's cooking. It's cooking. It's cooking. You'll see the result. It's not hiding anything. And boom, it's here. You see, from this to this in minute. Isn't this amazing? AI create everything with ease. Look at this. Look at this. This is cranky code, and we have a model holding it. This is amazing, and that is why you have to patronize AI. AI is here. AI is here to stay. That is why we're talking about AI branding is the next level. Even big companies now use AI. So why not you? Why are you not using AI? AI is the future. AI is here to help you make your job easy. We can make a family eating crunchy cool in a living room. Boom. AI will get it done. AI will get it done. Just wait for the result. Just wait for the result. Just wait for the result. Look at this. Isn't this amazing? We have your family eating the crunchy coal. So with AI, you can do amazing things. You can do a lot of things. Just name it. Name it. So we go to the final slide. before we entertain questions, because we don't want people to disrupt our section. That's why we are not accepting questions today or taking anybody up. But after this, we're going to take people up. So your next step is follow Takido, join our community, advanced training. We provide advanced training as well. If you're interested in joining our advanced training, contact us, reach out to us, we will arrange it. And if you want our 100 Pro branding prompt, reach out to us. We will get it done. We are just a DM away. Just DM us on TikTok and we get it done. So today we hope that you've learned amazing things and you will be able to apply them, use them to elevate your brand. So we hope that you've learned a lot today, and we are going to organize another one so that we will ensure that any questions that we get today we will touch it in our next one.